Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a meal that is close to my heart, and that is sweet potatoes porridge. Please stick with me. Don't leave after watching for a few seconds because you deserve everything good just like this meal. Now let's get started with this combo of vegetable oil and palm oil. Saute with fresh diced onions and garlic. Stir to combine and add your pepper mix, which is just blended tomatoes and scotch bonnet pepper. Add your smoked European hake fish and crayfish. For that aroma, add your favorite seasoning cube and salt to taste. Cover up and let that fry for about 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. If you want your sweet potatoes to maintain the sweetness and you want to enjoy its full health benefits, never cook it without the skin. Cook the sweet potatoes for 30 to 45 minutes till they are very soft like the one you are seeing now. Take the peel off and slice them into chunks. If you have been cooking sweet potatoes porridge without plantain, you are missing a lot. Try this my recipe and you will regret it. Now stay with me while I show you how to make a delicious peppered goat meat that is perfect for this recipe. As you can see, I'm generously adding my onions, curry, garlic, thyme, salt, seasoning cube and any spices of your choice. You can also use any protein of your choice for this recipe. Let that boil for another 30 to 45 minutes. Now let's proceed to fry our protein. Make sure it is very soft and tender before frying. As you can see, it looks well cooked and tasty. Please stay with me and let's shallow fry this goat meat together so that it can infuse its aroma into the vegetable oil. Now proceed to add your pepper mix to this pan. This time around, I have blended just cayenne pepper and onions. Add your seasoning cube to taste and let it simmer for about 10 minutes on a low heat. After 10 minutes, add sliced green bell pepper and sliced onions. And oh my god, this tasted so good. You must trust me on this. Now let's quickly get back to our boiled sweet potatoes and plantain. Add that to the sauce we initially set aside. Now add your goat meat stock. At this point, I don't need to tell you how delicious this tasted because the meat stock gave it its own flavor and take the taste to another level. And if you are still here with me, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel that is giving you mouth-watering recipes. Like this video and comment. Thank you for doing just that. Now, do you see that leaves? It is called pumpkin leaves, popularly known as ugu. They are loaded with vitamins and a great source of iron. I'll proceed and use that to garnish our sweet potatoes porridge with the remaining hake fish. Now give it a good stir to combine very well and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat. Now tell me in the comments, would you prefer this with more plantain or more sweet potatoes? Or will you prefer this with chicken or fish instead of beef? Comment below, let me know your preference. As for me, I will choose goat meat over and over again, or maybe cow meat. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, it is free of charge. And turn on your notifications button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.